In this video, I'll show you how to get started on the Uniswap Wallet app. It will be a step-by-step beginner's tutorial, so make sure to stick around to not miss anything. I am assuming that you have already installed the app through the Play Store or App Store. Now let's head over to the Uniswap Wallet app. Click on Create a New Wallet, and you can name your new wallet whatever you want. Now continue to the next step, and this part is very important, guys. You will get a recovery phrase, which is basically the password to your wallet. It's a phrase that consists of 12 words, and you have to remember this in the exact order. So it will ask you if you want to back it up on iCloud or manually. And I recommend that you do that manually. Make sure to write it on a piece of paper and keep it safe. Because if you lose your phone and you want to sign back in, you need this exact phrase to enter your wallet again. If you lose it, nobody can help you recover it, not even Uniswap. So make sure it is safe and you have copies of it. Now, if you have done that, you can just continue to the next step. It will ask you if you want notifications, and it will ask you if you want to use Face ID. And I recommend to do that because it's way easier. Well, now you're finally in the app and you probably want to know how to put money on your wallet to start buying some coins. Now click on this icon right here and you can choose any amount to put on your wallet. I'm going for $100 and click on continue. It will take you to MoonPay and you have to set it up first before you can buy anything. Now start with creating an account with your email address and I'll continue to fill out your information. Make sure you put in your real information because later on they will ask you for ID and they have to match. Now you're at the step to verify your account. You can use a driver's license, ID, or passport and just take a picture of one of these. And usually it will take a few minutes for your account to be verified, but in some rare cases it can take up to 72 hours. Now when you're verified, you can add money to your account. I used Apple Pay with Revolut and I ended up going for a little more than $100. Now when you add money to your account, you get Ethereum for it, and if you want to swap it for other coins, click on swap in the bottom right corner and now enter the amount of Ethereum you want to swap. If you want to swap everything, click on max and now you can choose the token you want to swap it for. Once you've done that, click on review and you can see that there is a very high network cost of $30 and this cost fluctuates during the day. So if your cost is like $60-$70, I would suggest to wait till midnight or some other time of the day because it will get a little bit cheaper, but you will usually pay around 20, 30 to 40 bucks each transaction, so keep that in mind. So when you click on swap, you're pretty much done and you get the token you swapped. Now this was just a beginner's tutorial. I didn't cover everything, so if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll make sure to help you out. If this video was useful to you, please make sure to subscribe to support me and my channel. It is highly appreciated. And as always, I hope to see you on the next tutorial.